welcome to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to make this super simple and really easy granny square sweater. Even if this is your very first project, this should be really easy. I'm going to do my best to explain it to you, and I guess let's dive right into the video. So to make a granny square you're going to make a slip knot, however you make a slip knot. I do mine like this. Then you're going to chain 4 or make a magic ring. I prefer to chain 4, but you also can just make a magic ring. Then you're going to slip stitch into the first chain and pull through. Then you're going to chain 3. That counts as your first stitch. We're going to work in double crochet here. And in the middle of those 4 chains, it can be hard to find, but that's the middle, you're going to make 2 more double crochets. Like this. Then you're going to chain 2 and make 3 double crochets into the middle of your 4 chains of the beginning. Then you're going to chain 2 again. And make 3 double crochets into the middle of your 4 chains. Again, chain 2 and make 3 double crochets. Then you're going to chain 2 and in the first loop and the third loop of your first double crochet, you're going to slip stitch like this. So your granny square looks like that, and now you're going to chain 3 again. That's again your first double crochet. Then you're going to go into the second double crochet and the third, just like this. We're not gonna skip them. And then you make 2 double crochet in the corner, then chain 2 and into the same corner again 2 double crochet. And then you're just gonna work into every stitch of your 3 double crochet here, like this. And in the corner, the pattern is 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet, and you're just gonna repeat that until the end of your row. When you reach the end of your row, you're just going to slip stitch into the 3rd chain of your first stitch again, like this. Then just continue what we did last row. You're going to chain 3, add 1 double crochet into every stitch of this row, and when you reach this corner, you're going to repeat our pattern: 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet into every corner. And that's just the row you're going to repeat until you have your desired amount of rows for your granny square. I'm going to make it 9 rows, and then I'll meet you again. After you made your amount of rows, you're just gonna cut off the yarn and pile your granny squares up. So when you reach 20 granny squares, you're going to lay them out in a specific form. I'm going to show you them. We're going to lay them out like this. I'm gonna try and show you a little graphic, so maybe that's more clear. But essentially this is what your setup should look like. And when you have them all laid out the way you want to sew them together, you're just gonna sew them together. Make sure that in the middle, like you have 1, 2, 3, and after 3 rows, this is where the head is gonna be. So make sure to keep this free. So that was the video on how you make this super cute granny square sweater. Please don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions. I know this was a really brief overview, but I really hope I could help you somehow and the drawn charts could help you. So yeah, don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions, either on here or on Instagram. That's my handle. Don't hesitate. And also, don't hesitate to tag me if you make it, because I would love to see it. So, yeah.